Hello, I hope you had a nice weekend, and I hope you are ready for week 3 of classes. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of an overview of what we'll be talking about and doing this week in our college success class. So I'd like to reiterate what I said last week, that if you're having any technical issues or if you're concerned that you are falling behind in a class, please reach out to me and I will see what I can do to help you resolve the issues and get back on track. So this week we'll be talking about college resources, time management, and goal setting. So the college resources unit is about helping you identify what resources are available to you on this campus and how they can help you in a variety of different situations and circumstances. So we'll also be thinking about how that growth mindset we talked about earlier relates to utilizing resources and taking advantage of the opportunities to get the support that would help you here at Northampton. You'll also have the opportunity and an assignment to learn about a resource and share it with your classmates, and then learn from your classmates about the resources that they are investigating as well. So for the college resources unit of week 3, first be sure to watch the video about finding and utilizing college resources, then complete this unit's online learning module, and be sure to post to the college resource discussion board. That's the assignment I mentioned earlier. So what I've done is I have provided a list of scenarios, and each scenario is assigned to somebody in the class, or in most cases, 2 people are assigned to the scenario. You'll find your assignment of your scenario in Blackboard in the college resources discussion area. So where you go to post your discussion and the instructions, you will see the list of everybody and which case is yours. So what I'd like you to do for that is to go on the NCC website and look up what resources would be helpful in that case and how you might address that case, and share what you find in the discussion board. And then do that by Thursday, and then please reply to 2 of your classmates' posts by Sunday. Then we will also be completing a Stanford Learning activity this week. So please see the attached instructions in Blackboard for more details about how to do that. And then there's also a Stanford reflection assignment that goes along with that as well. For our time management and goal setting unit, the primary goal here, no pun intended, is to help you with your goal setting and prioritizing your activities. So this is actually something that's really helpful right now in this part of the semester and also just in general. So one of the things to think about is, what is a SMART goal? So a SMART goal is a goal that is specific, measurable, action-based, realistic, and time-bound. So what that means is you want to be specific with your goals. So what is it specifically that you want to achieve? So if I say I want to do well in this class, that's a general goal, right? But there are a couple of things wrong with that. Number one is I want isn't a goal. That's an intention. So what you really want to think about is, what specifically do you want to achieve? So a specific goal would be, I want to achieve an A in this class, which, by the way, an A is also measurable. So that means you know how you're going to assess your outcome of your goal to know that you've achieved it. So this could be earning a certain grade, or it could be something else. Action-based is, what will you do to achieve the goal? So the action in this case could be, I'm going to follow the syllabus in Blackboard every week, and also be sure to study for my class on a regular basis. In fact, it's even better if you say, I plan to study every Thursday afternoon at 4 o'clock with so-and-so. You know what I mean? So you're being very specific again about the action we're taking. And then realistic, you want to make sure that your goal is realistic and achievable so that it's something you can do. And then time-bound, and I mentioned that already when I talked about the action, is what is a time frame or what is a deadline that you plan to achieve the goal? So again, we'll be talking about that. And also be looking at prioritizing multiple activities, and we'll be looking at how do you plan out your week based on, first of all, determining how are you spending your time. And then from there, how can you optimize your use of time? So for the time management and goal setting unit, please be sure to complete the unit learning module. And then there is a discussion board about this as well. So please post to that on by Thursday night, and reply to 2 classmates by Sunday. And then there is also a goal setting assignment. So for that, just download the assignment. It has some fillable areas in it where you'll be practicing applying goal setting. So please type those in, and then save that and then post it into the assignment in Blackboard. There's also a Flipgrid activity, so please post your initial video by Thursday and reply to 2 classmates by Sunday. And then last but not least, there is the time management activity. So for that, you will be given a grid of your week from Sunday through Saturday. And what I'd like you to do for that is track how you're using your time. So look at, how to use your time in terms of when you're going to class, when are you working, when are you commuting or traveling, when are you taking time for meals, when are you working on studying and coursework outside of class, when are you giving yourself some time for exercise, recreation, or anything like that. And then also, what are some other things that you're doing with your time? And also, as I suggested last week, I would encourage you to look at the rubrics for each of the assignments before you complete them. And for the time management assignment specifically, I recommend actually typing in how you're spending your time into the Word document that you download from Blackboard, and then save that, and then just upload that with the assignments. That way, when I'm grading it, I can see how you've mapped out how you spent your time. And there's also a reflection that goes with that as well. So when you look at how you spent your time, think about, how did that work for you? Did it work out well? Or what might you change about how you spend your time to manage your time more effectively? So again, if you have any questions about anything, or if there's anything that I can help you with, I'm here. So don't hesitate to reach out to me by email, or if you'd like, I can meet with you during my office hours, or we can also schedule time to meet virtually through my virtual office at another time that works for you as well. So again, have a great third week of classes, and let me know how I can help.